Hey everyone, how are you? Let's make pancake. For pancake we need sugar. I have already grained 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and this is baking powder and flour. At first we have to take the egg, then add a spoon of sugar. It is your choice how much you wanna add sugar, and we have to mix it well. So we take 3 spoon of sugar, and we add milk, 1 cup of milk. Mixed it well. After that we add half spoon of baking powder. Again mixing. At the last we have to mix the flour. So we have to mix all the ingredients nicely, because we have to make the this base like cake, as it is a pancake. So now our base is ready, so let's make pancakes. You can see that pancake is not much difficult, it is very much easy. So please go for this and try at your home. And you have to cook pancake in lower flame, and it don't need a long time. You only have to cook for 1 or 2 minutes only. Ta-da! Our pancakes are ready. See, it looks so good, delicious. You can cook the pancake at your home. Please go for this, and please don't forget to comment how it is. Here my baby is eating my pancakes, and she commented on my food that it's really tasty and delicious. Thank you, New. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye, see you soon. Take care, stay safe, bye.